In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade Weapon Blueprint star rating in Once Human. So, in case you've gotten yourself a blueprint, which I'm going to open up right now for myself, over here, there we go. As you can see, it has different star ratings up here. So mine, this Jaws blueprint, is kind of a 1 star out of the possible 6, as you can see. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. Now, there's also a way to get blueprints to level 2, 3, or up to 6, okay? However, many people say that going past 3 stars isn't even worth it. And the way you do this is actually quite simple, but not really. So, you want to get a few more legendary blueprints, okay? Whichever they may be. So you can get these the easiest way through a wish machine, which you can find on any of these save zones over here. So we have these more advanced ones, so the Black Fell and the Greywater Camp and so on and so forth. Or you can just craft it yourself by opening up your inventory and then opening memetics, going inside, I think it's over here inside logistics, and there we go. You scroll down, you will see wish machine. Open this up, and then you can simply build it inside your base. It's not that expensive. Open up your build menu, right click, go inside facilities, and then function facility, and you'll be able to see your wish machine over here. As you can see, it's quite cheap. You can place it down, and you can then use it as much as you want to. And in here, you can either buy the blueprint again to get those kind of fragments you'll need to upgrade it to another star, or what you can also do is play these games, but that's RNG, and of course, I mean, you have to calculate how much star crom you're willing to kind of pay to be able to get this, okay? And now, mind you, I'm talking about weapons right now, but you can do the exact same thing for armor. And then once you have a few of these legendary blueprints, you want to open up your blueprints tab again, find the blueprint you would like to upgrade and give it another star, and then you want to right click on that blueprint. So for me, it's going to be a Jaws one. As I said, it's the same for the armor blueprints, melee blueprints, and all the things, okay? Now, what you want to do is right-click, and in here, as you can see, it will give you all the details and the enhancements. What you want to do is go over here to where it says enhancement, okay? And then you want to click down here to where it says beyond blueprint fragment. You want to click this plus, and it will show you how much XP is available for you, and then you can either select all or select the specific ones. So once you click on it, it will give you kind of a status bar of kind of how much beyond blueprint fragments you will get, and you need, as you can see, 1,600 to be able to, in this case, increase or enhance this Jaws blueprint. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you do it. You will have to farm legendary blueprints and then simply enhance it via this menu over here. So right click on the blueprint and you'll find it under enhancement. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.